In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts, select Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to add. If you see this kind of pop-up, hit Add, and then do exactly the same with all the other contacts you need. If you want to change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Move your contacts, hit Save at the top right corner to save new order, and wait. If you want to delete your contacts, click this X next to all of those that you wish to delete, and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!